welcome to Canvas Fashions, and today I have a special guest. This is Joey!
Joe!
And this is my Korean friend. So today's video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial where he's going to be doing my makeup. So he is a Korean guy, so he's going to show me like Korean style makeup or whatever makeup that he decides, and he's going to put on my face, so this may be fun.
Maybe. Wow, Korean style.
Maybe. Okay, so let's start the video.
Okay. Pre-prime mist.
No, it's not gonna fit. So yeah. Okay.
It's my first time beauty vlog. So I can spread. Oh, this is fantastic. This is just cotton, so very soft cotton. Where did you get it?
Olive young.
Olive young.
Yeah.
So rose petal, witch hazel toner. So I'm going to use this one. This is from Tony Mori. So Tony Rep Doctor Return Auto Cream. So use your fourth finger.
Make a point.
And I heard when like on the TV channel was about beauty, so beauty products. So people they said don't use like other fingers. This finger is much softer than other fingers.
So these are more pressure.
Yeah. So you can just rub it on your skin. Nipple cream. We're gonna use like what I said, prep, prime, mist again, because during you makeup, it might be your skin might be dry.
Okay.
So just make your skin moisture.
Ooh, so nice and dewy.
Yeah. Let's do it. This foundation Pro Coverage.
LA girl.
This foundation is a LA Girl and Pro Coverage. Put the foundation on here and then maybe try to mix it. Don't forget about T-zone. And I make sure it moves on each. Don't laugh. You're my model today. This is my beauty vlog. So this is concealer. So this is a MAC Pro Longwear concealer. So maybe like when you're trying to like squeeze some like foundation or concealer, maybe use your hand palette here. And then maybe use this part, you know, sponge. Use this like edge part. Like put it up, like put it like small little bit like this, and then look, perfect, beauty. So this is not ready from now on. Now just sorry. Just look.
How do I look?
Looks good. Perfect. So beautiful already. No, I think I'm a genius. I think I have to open beauty vlog too.
Oh! What's your channel, by the way?
Oh, my channel? Well, basically I just opened my channel. I'm a travel vlogger, so if you wanna know about Mokpo and gelato part, I'll show you how amazing gelato part is.
I'll leave his link down below. Click the link and then you can check out his channel.
And subscribe
and
me.
subscribe.
So this is Korean brand. Innisfree. Innisfree. No sebum. No sebum.
For oil.
Oh. No sebum mineral powder. Let me use it right now. LA girl. Strawberry light. Strawberry light. Strawberry light strawberry powder.
Reflects light, so it's very like highlight.
Oh, even I don't know how to open it. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. I knew it. Like I knew. I was testing her. So, okay, you can use like grab a boot, like grab a. Oh, sorry, not boot. Boot is a fan. I mean, it's a pen. Pen is...
Fan.
Wait, fan is boot.
Yeah.
In Korean, sorry. So,
fan is?
Yeah, we call it pen.
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 Ah.
But like boot.
Boot.
Yeah.
Same. So,
when you're trying to put something on here, just like softly, you know? Like you know, tickling someone's foot.
Tickling someone's foot.
I don't know. Where did you get it? Essence product.
Eyebrow.
For eyebrows. But can you see the fan here? So you can just tidy up. I'm gonna draw her eyebrows from now. Brown.
Yeah.
So when you, I watched this one too. When you kind of draw your eyebrows, you always like kind of it's too much. But I saw just like make a triangle on your eyebrows, just like triangle. You're not gonna walk in outside like this, okay?
To shape it?
No, you can use a tissue, wet tissue. Just like use this finger, something like this, and then just a little bit wipe it. This is
BH Cosmetics.
ooh, this is a really long name.
BH
BH
Cosmetics.
This is a 60 color BH day and night eyebrow shadow palette.
So this basically you can do a day look or a night look.
Oh, so let's open it right now. I'm actually trying to make you like maybe 60 style.
Oh, that okay. 60s style.
Like punky,
Oh,
colorful
colorful,
face.
yes.
So when you just like tickle, just tickle.
Like her feet.
Yeah, like a feet. Someone's feet. Just tickle. And then now we're doing. So I'm using red color right now. Before it was pink. This is liquid ink essence product. So this is a liquid type. think from now on, if you feel like very hurry when you go out, then use a liquid type. I will show you how to do it very quick. So I made the wings around like, can you see the eyes?
A wing.
Oh, this is yeah, same product, Essence. I think Essence product is good for mascara or eyebrows. Okay. Open your eyes. Oh my god. We're talking about food.
He brought coffee and macaroons for us. I should actually eat mine before lipstick.
Yeah, you should. Now, finally, 10 color plate professional blush VH Cosmetics.
Cosmetics.
I said potato, you said potato. They're all good colors over here, actually. Very colorful, right? Probably gonna use mix with the orange color.
Peachy orange.
Peachy orange. And then pink. I'm gonna mix that color. It's peachy orange. But put it on your hand palette first. See, can you see? It's a lot, just like a lot of things comes out. So it's not a mistake. You're doing a good job.
That's
oh my gosh, I did a really good job, oh my goodness.
I can't wait to see.
And then, don't forget use a mist anyway. It's from LA Girl. LA Girl. So I'm gonna use it for her lips. Like an LA Girl.
Woo!
No, you didn't!
No, you didn't.
So use this finger for your lips. Just like a little dot. Can you see? Done. It's almost done. I'm too good. So did you know eyeliner, like especially liquid eyeliner, Korean women they using like like mole, like sexy mole. Did you know that?
Really?
Or is it the same thing?
Yeah.
Western too.
Yeah. They use liquid liner to make one dot.
Yeah, just one dot, like sexy one dot. So I'm gonna make a sexy dot.
Cute.
And I'm gonna make a point here. So cute. It's a little bit like in the 60 and 2000 future somewhere. Like fusion.
Oh, okay.
Now, don't forget the mist, okay? The mist, don't forget. This is the last part. Very softly. Very softly.
The magic happens. Big reveal.
And I think...
Now I need to see.
You need to see? Are you ready? Oh no, I can grab it. I can grab it. I think she's so ready. Oh yeah! I'm too good. Okay, not like that. Hey, boo! Did you see that?
Guys, what do you think of this makeup look?
Can you see the point here? This is actually stars.
Ah, so he put stars. Let me see. I'll tell you. Your liner, the very, very good wing liner.
Okay, good.
Very good. The blush. My lips look okay.
Yeah, it's
My
quite
lips look
sexy.
fine.
Sexy.
My brows.
Like, she probably thinking like, can I swear in here?
So what do you think of this makeup look? Did he do well? For what you said, 60s? 60s makeup look.
It's like 60 and...
Punk.
Yeah, kind of a little bit funky. Isn't it?
What do you think? Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below what you think of this makeup look. And yeah, what do you think of Joey as a makeup artist?
I'm too good. Contact me and she's gonna put my YouTube channel link on here somewhere.
Down below, up here.
Up here. And then just like follow me on Instagram. You can follow me like
What's your Instagram?
Oh, Joey and Joey.
Okay.
Just enjoy with me.
So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to his channel and subscribe to my channel as well. And I love you guys so much, and yeah, just let me know and comment down below if you want more videos with Joey in them so we can do more collaborations together. Just comment down below some suggestions. Love you guys so much. Stay blessed.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.